This unique futuristic building is Metropol Parasol. The most interesting thing about it is that this is one of the biggest wooden structures in the world. Before the structure was built in 2011, this used to be a dead space with a huge, ugly-looking car park.
Of course, the best way to see Seville is on a scooter. This is Plaza de España. It was built in 1929 for the International Exhibition in Seville.
This place is essentially a permanent film set. Lots of movies were shot here, like Lawrence of Arabia, Star Wars, and The Dictator. And in case you're feeling a bit lazy, you can get a ride in one of these.
This is Parque de María Luisa. It's just next to Plaza de España. This was originally a private estate and then was renovated to a public park as part of the 1929 World Exhibition.
Finally, we are at the famous Triana Bridge. It was opened in 1952 and it is the oldest iron bridge in Spain today.